Latonya style, you're the baddest. No dancer bad like you. You build new dance every day.
Latonya new dance, be versatile. People they catch it at the stinkiest thing, it ugly, come like crocodile skin, at the roughest thing. Rave says I don't know from we pass dance it pass.
Yo, this is Dance Expressions Extension, and we are big up the new dance called Versatile. Latonya, big up yourself, and you don't know you're the first lady. Yo,
them can't touch Latonya style. Bad man, they are versatile. Oh, Latonya moves a while when she a whine and a move and she always a smile. Them can't touch Latonya style. Because she move and she move her baseline when she move to the rhythm and the rhythm with the beat to the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat. And she move to the rhythm and she whine in so sweet. Versatile, Latonya style. Being a man, the bar and a 3 mile. Latonya.
IFA representing for Miss Latonya Styles. I want to say she had the BADDEST. If I dance, you know she have the act style. It's all about the thing called versatile. Yeah, me and that.
So I'm gonna be straight from the 103 expensive group. And everything good. You don't know say Latonya, everything lock. Real dancer, I love her, everything good. She have it pat. You don't know, don't make a boy jump on your broken neck. Everything lock, yeah? She have a new dance, named Versatile. You can do it to anything, I saw the thing said match. Versatile.
It's all about Latonya style.
Ladies and gentlemen, turn on your attention, please. Do so. Change
Mr. Bandit, she's the maddest. Mad,
It's the girl endorsing Latonya style new dance. Versatile. Okay, I don't know what versatile. Latonya style, versatile, Lady Kid versatile. So let's endorse it, versatile style. I don't think I say here one. Big thing. To the ranks, excellent girl. Watch it, yeah?
I tell them your pressure, your young and your body not done. And no boy never beat up your body like a joke. Why not come up because you why not go down? And no girl can't style you because you don't fuck down. Well, light in fear, water in fear. Your phone bill, mortgage, everything clear. No boy not stressed if it's more great in here.
Yeah, man, you know Sarah Minberger representing for Latonya style, and she about the new dance named Versatile. That's how I go. Boom.
Yeah, man. People, listen. Big up Latonya, alright? You know this is nice, right? Yeah. I'm kind of, I'm not drunk. You see this? Yeah. Versatile. Big it up. Versatile. Latonya. You understand? She's my friend, okay? I good. I have to do this. Yeah.
Latonya style, just big up yourself, because you know you're well versatile and new dance that you don't know Jeepers are big up, you don't know traffic, everything.
Hey, this is Skin Yellow Man, King of Dance, and I want to pick up Latonya style. You're there all the way. Cool profile. I love this video.
They don't know Latonya style, you know me I say wicked and wild, so me I say versatile. And the new thing and the new dance, so me I say versatile. So me I say first class. I over boss and above on this, versatile. So me I say it right now. Brand new dance, versatile, I mean I say vertical.
this and make you know say what endorse Latonya new dance called Versatile and it's sell off Versatile. Me a versatile. Yo, tell her.
When I talk about versatile,
good.
You do it in a many style.
In a all type of style.
Latonya style. She out and clean and good. Big up a friend named Latonya style and she have a new dance named Versatile. So, I tell her say, log in for her MySpace and her YouTube and all of these things like that. So you don't know say, it's a summer start tonight, you don't know say, Latonya, she's what's happening. Versatile, serve log on. L.A. Lewis said that.
Latonya style, you know she's the greatest. She have a lot of style of the latest. You see what I'm saying? A new piece on the beat so that you don't know. So this song with Latonya style, any girl bad man will drop asleep and don't wake up. You see me I said, I want a business about them. They feel right now around.
You see Latonya, you don't like fast.
You don't know say pretty boy fly in and we end up Latonya style. Cause you saw what's a Latonya style? She versatile, she full of style. And that's why she even have a dance name. Versatile.
So Latonya, want to pick up yourself, you might see a seller. That's a colorful, but that's a colorful fashion.
Hey, you know it's your girl Queen Letitia representing who? Latonya first class style. And here one of our team name. Versatile. So here one of, catch that one.